At the end of any term, it's always nice to have a roundup and reflection of what students have learned over the course of their studies. Let's take a look at 3 low to no prep activities you can use to reflect on students' learning at the end of the year. Activity 1, awards ceremony. Elicit from students different awards that they'd like to give out to the class, but have your own prepared as well. For example, grammar wizard, best debater, most likely to, and so on. Have a secret ballot in the class. Have students write the name of the person they think is deserving of each award. Then, have a mini award ceremony in class. Depending on your teaching context, get students to wear something as they would to an award ceremony and create certificates to give out so that they can feel proud of their progress and their reward that they've won at the end of the year. Activity 2, talk behind your backs. Now, the name of this might throw you off a little bit, but this is a really nice communicative activity. Stick a blank piece of paper on the back of each student. Then have students walk around the room in a mingle style activity and to write one thing that they like about that student on their back. This could be language related. It could be something that they've improved during the year or a general personality characteristic. After a set amount of time, let's say 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the context and the CFR level of your students, have students take their piece of paper off their back and feel inspired and motivated for the year ahead by what their classmates like about them. And the third and final activity is called Teacher's Day. This is where students step into the role of teacher. So pre-warn students, tell them that they're going to be taking sort of a teacher role and that they're going to prepare a game or a quiz or another fun activity to share with the rest of the class. You could do this over a course of a number of lessons or simply focus on one final lesson at the end of your term. Put students into pairs or groups and have them come up with a game or activity that they would like to share with the class. This could be something like an online quiz on Kahoot. It could be a song that they want to share on a platform like Lyrics Training, which we've showed you in a previous video, or it simply could be an activity that they've enjoyed in class during the term. We hope you've enjoyed these activities for the end of term. If you do have any others to share, please do share in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.